Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Shay T Mac, and I'm back. This time we're gonna do a quick review on the precision screwdrivers from Gearwrench. Let's hop on into the video. It'll be a short one. You got your flats from a small, tiny, real small focus. It looked like a peak, but it's not. It's actually a flat head. If I can get the right angle, you will see. See, it's a little flat head. It'll be real tiny. More like for working on glasses, iPhones, stuff like that. But you got your flats all the way up to this size. We're gonna get why I'm saying this size. We got your Phillips, real tiny, all the way up to this size. Then you got your Torx, and I got one down. I'm gonna show you. It's tiny. It's iPhone style, eyeglasses, or pocket watch. Yeah, it's for, I guess, computer geeks. Somebody like that may need this. Every now and then, we as mechanics, we might run into a spot where we might need this, and that's taking a computer loose that's inside a vehicle, or some dash components, something. But more than likely, we use a bit driver and just be done with it. The only gripe I have about this set is they don't have the sizes on it. I would like for the size to be stamped here, or either in one of these blank places where they don't have the logo. But far as just functionality and durability, they pretty good. I mean, you're not gonna put much torque on nothing this small. Taking loose a computer or something like that, but it's got your swivel on top where you could, But I would love to see them do a little bit more, like adding the sizes. They could have added them in on the shaft. I have seen a lot of them where they put the size up here on the shaft. I would like to know what size. So if you're doing something that calls for a T15 or T2 or T10, you could go there and say, okay, there's a T10 or T2, or either put it on the case. Yeah, there's ain't much to say about them. They just Torx it, and it doesn't bear any logos on the outside of it. That's a bummer, because you put it up and you forget what it is, like I do. You think it's a CD book or something like that. I guess people won't confuse it for a CD book no more, because they ain't no more CDs. But other than that, pretty good set. Ain't much I can say about it. Just a quick review on it. It's got all your small deals that you would use in one place. And this case, cardboard, a fabric outliner, sort of a pleather type plastic on the back. Other than that, it zips. Overall, a pretty handy set. So I ain't had no problem with them. I use them time after time. But like I said, what more can you say about them? You need them when you need them. When you don't, you don't. And more than likely, when you need them, you sitting down in here with the air blowing, and ain't nothing gonna bother you if you working in an environment and you're on the air condition. So this is the how many pieces? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12-piece set. I do got a gripe I will put on about it. I would like for this case to have been more compact. I mean, they could have done all that over here and wouldn't need all that. Or made it in a hard case where it folds over into itself. And yeah, but this case being probably the size of them Tekken cases with 10 tools in them, I would like to see them done a smaller case in a more durable case. But like I said, ain't too many gripes about it because it is what it is. You use it for what it is meant for. You hardly ever use it. So just something to have in your arsenal. One more way that you can work your way out of a situation that you ain't got to get up, go hunt, or go to AutoZone, try to find this size or that size. You got them right here. But like and subscribe to my channel. I'm out.